fire station's emergency response center. I'm firefighter Kiki. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter, please come and put out the fire! The water gun can douse the fire. Firefighter Kiki sets off. Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a wet towel and find a safe place to wait for rescue when a house is on fire. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete. Let's fill the fire truck with water. Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add. Drag the hose to turn the hose to tighten it. Which of these pipes can be connected? Great! Connect the rest of the pipes. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier. There is an emergency call for help! Help! Some people fell in the water! Putting life buoys on the persons in water can help them float in water. Firefighter Kiki is on the way! Don't be afraid, Candy. The rescue team will be here soon. Tap the person in water and put a life buoy on him. Slide the rope to pull him up. Tap the... Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. There is an emergency call for help. What shall we do, Firefighter Kiki?